Well, hello students! Welcome back to Mathematics Application class with me, Mr. Alfie. In this video, we're going to learn about the area of triangle. The area of triangle that we're going to learn about is the area for triangle that not right triangle. In order to find the area of not right angle triangle, we are going to use trigonometry. So, let's check this video out. Trigonometry for triangle that are not right triangle. So, this is a triangle that right angle triangle. Let's say this is the angle beta. Since this is the angle beta, so this side is the adjacent, this side is opposite, and this side is hypotenuse. Sine beta equal to opposite per hypotenuse, cosine beta equal to adjacent per hypotenuse, and tangent beta equal to opposite per adjacent. So, as we know, the area of the triangle is base times height per 2. This formula is applied for any triangle, even for not right angle triangle, like this triangle. It is not right angle triangle. We can find the area by multiple base and height and then divide it by 2. But what if we don't know the height of the triangle? How can we find the area of this triangle? If we don't know the height of the triangle, but we know the other side and the angle between them, we can find the area. With this formula, the area of the triangle equal to A times B times sine C per 2. Okay, we just simply multiply the two sides known with sine of the angle between those sides and then divide it by 2. Let's jump to the example. Let's say this is not a right angle triangle. We know that this side is 14 centimeters and this side is 20 centimeters. And the angle between these two sides is 35 degrees. So, remember the area equal to A times B sine C per 2. Let's say this is the A, this is the B, and then this is the angle C. So, the area equal to 14 times 20 times sine 35 degrees per 2. By your calculator, you will find that the area equal to 80.3 centimeters square. And it also applies with the obtuse angle. Let's say this is the angle between the known sides. This is obtuse angle 120. We also use the same formula. So the area equal to 6 times 10 times sine 120 and then divided by 2. So the area by calculator you will find that 25.98 centimeters square. Now, how to find the area of a not right angle triangle, but we don't know the height and also we don't know any angle of that triangle. We only know the length of those three sides of its triangle. How to find it? This is the formula for that case. The area equal to square of S multiple with S minus A multiple with S minus B multiple with S minus C. What is S? S is the total length of those three sides divided by 2. A plus B plus C divided by 2. This is A, B, C. Let's jump to the example. Find the area of this triangle. We only know all of its sides, 3, 5, and 6. So, first, we need to find the value of S. We add all those three sides together. 3 plus 5 plus 6 per 2 equal to 14 per 2 equal to S. After we find the value of S, we can substitute the value of S in this formula. So S equal to 7, let's A equal to 3, B equal to 5, and C equal to 6. So the area equal to square root of 7 times 7 minus 3 times 7 minus 5 times 7 minus 6. So the area equal to square root of 7 times 4 times 2 times 1 equal to square root of 56. This is how to find the area of this triangle. Now, we're going to learn about sine rule. Let's say this is the triangle. Whatever kind of the triangle, whether it's right angle triangle or not. If this is angle A, the side in front of angle A is side A. And then this is the angle B. The side in front of angle B is side B. And this is the angle C. So automatically this is the side C. So the sine rule is the side divided by sine, the angle bit in front of the side, is always the same with all the sides. The ratio will always the same. So A divided by sine A, the angle between side A, equal to side B divided by sine B, equal to side C divided by sine C. How to use this formula? Like the example. There is a triangle. We know that two angles 60 degrees and 70 degrees, and one of the side is 8.2 centimeter. So now find the value of x. X is the other side of that triangle. In order to find the value of x, we can use sine rule. So remember, the side divided by sine of the angle in front of the side is always the same with all sides of that triangle. So by the sine rule, we know that sine x per sine 70 equal to 8.2 per sine 60. So x equal to 8.2 times sine 70 per sine 60. By the calculator, you'll find that the value of x equal to 8.9. The other rule that we're going to learn is cosine rule. So remember, if this is angle A, the side in front of angle A is side A. So if we're going to find the value of side A, we can use cosine rule. So A square equal to B square plus C square minus 2 times B times C cosine A. Remember, angle A is the angle in front of side A. So generally, cosine rule is square of the side equal to the total of square the other side subtracted by 2 times both sides times cosine the angle in front of the side that we were looking for. That's cosine rule. So how to find the side B? Remember, B square equal to the total of square the other is A and C, A square plus C square minus 2 times the other two side, 2 times A times C times cosine the angle in front of the side that we're looking for. The angle between side B is angle B, so cosine B. And it also applies in C. C square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cosine C. There are so many applications of cosine rule. One of them is to solve this question. This is not a right angle triangle. We know all of the sides, 5.2, 8.3 and 6.9. Now we're going to find the value of one of the angle x. Remember, we can find by cosine rule. By cosine rule, we know that 8.3 square, this side square, equal to the total of square or of the other side. So the other is 5.2 square plus 6.9 square subtracted with 2 times both sides. 2 times 5.2 times 6.9 times cosine the angle in front of the side, cosine x. So cosine x equal to 5.2 square plus 6.9 square minus 8.3 square per 2 times 5.2 times 6.9. By your calculator, you can type it on your calculator. You'll find that the value of x equal to 85 degrees.